Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel and another video. So today I wanted to get into one of these individual aid kits from North American Rescue. I managed to catch a few of them on sale over at LA Police Gear for about $12.99 a piece when they usually retail for about $20.99 on Amazon. I've never really had one of these before, so I'm kind of excited to bust into it. I know there's not much to it, but if it's a great deal, I'm going to be happy about it. So let's get into it. So this is not really like a stop the bleed kit or like a first aid kit. That's why I'm kind of interested in it. I don't really know exactly what this thing's purpose is, but most of the time they're vacuum sealed. I do like that they're packaged like that. Looks like we got some decent 3M medical tape. Always good to have. Some individually wrapped nitrile North American Rescue gloves. These are not their, these are their responder gloves. Okay, this is not their like heavy duty black nitrile gloves. These are just kind of their regular run-of-the-mill. You have some petrolatum gauze, otherwise known as gauze soaked in petroleum jelly. These are pretty good for keeping wounds moist and allowing a more conducive healing environment. Let's put it in a fancy term, shall we? So, pretty good to have. It's a fairly small one, 3" by 18". I mean, you can unfold it. Most time you leave it folded and put it on whatever it is, and then wrap it up. Right here we have some, wow, this is some really compressed gauze. Wow, look at that. That is super, like, vacuum packed. Cool. Gauze is like, man, gauze is amazing. You can do so much with gauze. I've actually seen people restrain combative patients with a roll of Kerlix gauze, and this would be pretty much just as effective. It's basically woven cotton rope. I mean, that's really what gauze is, just in a different format. You can use gauze for burns, making slings, fire starting material, restraints, like I said, wound packing. I mean, the list goes on, and having it in such a compact package is pretty sweet. And last but not least, you know, that's it. I mean, you could use this for an occlusive dressing. You can actually use this for a chest seal. You would just have to vent it yourself every once in a while. But we have a North American Rescue Responder 4" emergency trauma dressing flat fold bandage. So this is kind of like, yes, this is kind of like the T-Band Mini, right? Same kind of footprint, same kind of function. Be really interesting to compare the two. I might just do a separate video on that. So it looks like the tape comes in at about $1 a piece. It's kind of what I expected. The gloves, kind of hard to put a price on these because they're not really sold individually, but let's just throw $1. The petrolatum gauze. So they usually sell these in packs of 25 or 50. So the price kind of varies a little bit, but it's usually about $1 a piece at the end of the day. The actual compressed gauze retails for about $4.50 to $5 a piece. They usually sell them in 2 packs of like $9, $10 around there. And then the ETD flat fold bandage usually retails for about $11. Now, considering I got this whole package here for about $12.99 plus some miscellaneous shipping and handling, I think I came out all right, because it kind of comes out to about $19 for all this if you bought it individually. But on Amazon right now it's retailing for $20.99. So for me getting it for $12.99, I'm going to take that as a win. This is not a kit that I would carry by itself. I mean, it's kind of lacking. Like, individual aid kit for what? That's kind of my thing. It's not really hemorrhage control. It's not really first aid. It's kind of like a in-between. I would consider this like an add-on modular pouch. Like if you needed some more trauma dressings, or if you needed some extra gauze, you know, but like just a standalone unit, this is definitely not. But overall, I think it's a win in my book, and I'm going to be adding it to my other kit and then to supplement some other kits I'm putting together. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in this item, I'm going to leave a link to it on Amazon down below because I do believe it is out of stock on LAPG. But if you're interested in it, go ahead and check it out. Or if you want to see more of these items, be sure to check out my other videos. I do a lot of random medical stuff every now and then, and I kind of seem to be on a medical equipment binge right now. So anyway, really appreciate you joining me in today's video. If you did like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below with what your favorite IFAK or item in your IFAK is to let me know, and I might just try it or, you know, get one to give away. So once again, really appreciate it. Hope you had fun. I'm having fun. If you're not having fun, please go away. And until then, have a fantastic day.